Hello friends, hope you are doing great. I'm Sampath. Today I will show you how to create our targeted e-commerce stores list using BuiltWith Pro. Already I have subscribed to the plan. Once we have subscription, we can have a chance to access all the information. If you can watch this video up to end, I will show you exactly how to utilize this tool to gather our targeted stores list. Or if you want me to help you with your targeted stores information or stores decision makers list creation, you can contact me directly. I mentioned my contact details in the description box. You can directly message me on WhatsApp. Not only e-commerce stores decision makers list creation, if you are looking for any kind of B2B data and web scraping services, for example, Instagram scraping, if you have any competitors or relevant pages, we can have a chance to scrap that competitors' pages, followers, publicly mentioned email IDs and contact numbers, or we can scrap data based on hashtag, or we can scrap data like Instagram influencers based on their location, industry and followers count. We can have a chance to collect based on that. Or bio keyword also we can have a chance to use and collect the information. Or if you are looking for LinkedIn data scrapping, whatever the such results you have, I will scrap all the results and I will provide you possible verified email IDs and possible dialing information. Or if you are looking for local businesses like local clothing stores or boutique stores, we can have a chance to collect those information. Not only that, real estate agents, car dealers information, anything local business information we can have a chance to collect like this. Or recently funded companies decision makers information, like last month funded companies or last week funded companies decision makers information. I can help you with that. Or targeted angel investors list, VCs list, that too particularly based on their previous investment histories we can have a chance to collect. Anything related to B2B data and web scraping services, I can help you with that. If you have any requirement, as I said, you can directly message me on WhatsApp. I mentioned my contact details in the description box. Now let us jump into the BuiltWith. Now if we can see here, this is the dashboard actually. So once we have subscription, we can have a chance to access this dashboard. So now first I will go to the tools and web technology trends. So once we go here, we can have a chance to see all the technologies information. So for example, I will click Salesforce. So once I click Salesforce, we can have a chance to see statistics about this. So now I will click here United States. So once we click United States, we can have a chance to see all the e-commerce companies who are using Salesforce on their website. Now we can see this information here. Now if we can scroll down a little bit down, we can see here Salesforce website in India, Salesforce website in United States or in Australia, Canada. So we can have a chance to collect data based on this actually. So not only that, if you are going to the keywords, for example, now I'm going to here tools, then after keywords. So we can see all the industries here. We can have a chance to collect based on keywords directly. So for example, if I can go to the cosmetics. So once I go to the cosmetics here, we can see all the cosmetics companies information. Now if we can scroll down a little bit down, we can see here cosmetic websites in India, cosmetic websites in United States, in UK, Germany, Australia. So we can simply collect this information like this. Or if you want customized list, now I will show you how to collect our customized list actually. Now I'm going to the tools, I'm going to the e-commerce list. Once we go to here, so for example, we need a customized Shopify stores. Now I'm just clicking this one. Now once we click this one, now I'm just clicking download full lead list. So once I click this, then after I'm scrolling down a little bit down. Here I'm going to here all Shopify sites. I'm just clicking this one. So now once I click this one, so now we can have a chance to see all the Shopify stores live websites actually. Now I'm going to the advanced filter. So now once I go to the advanced filter, now I can have a chance to select here different filters actually. Suppose for example, tech filter. So now I'm just creating like I need suppose for example, people who are using some email marketing technology on their website. For example, MailChimp. Okay. So I'm just selecting here MailChimp. And if you can see here, currently using MailChimp or started using very recently or past 3 months, I'm just clicking here currently using MailChimp. I'm just clicking add filter. So once I click add filter, we can have a chance to see this information here. So then after I'm going to the location. So I'm just selecting here United States. So once we click United States, we can have a chance to select here based on state-wise also. So for example, I will select something like New York and just clicking here add filter. So now we can see this information added here. Now I will go to the revenue. So once I go to the revenue here, I will select as minimum 100 and or like I will select minimum 1000. Whatever we want, we can select that, or maximum 10,000 and just clicking set as sales revenue filter. So then after, now I will go to the employee size. here employee size minimum, I'm selecting 10. Whatever the select we want, we can select that one. So maximum here I'm selecting, for example, 1000 or like 100 to 1000. So now I'm just clicking set as estimated employee filter. So then after, now we can go to the simply keyword. So suppose, for example, if you are looking for particular keyword related stores, we can just select that keyword. For example, skincare, we can select and add the filter. Or if you can go to the vertical, you can see all the industries, top industries here. We can just simply select those ones actually. Now, for example, I will select travel. So now I'm just adding that one. Now, once I add, we can see all the information added here. So vertical travel. So then after I will go to the little bit up. Employee size here 100 to 1000. Now sales revenue $1,000 to $10,000. Now we can see all the information here. This is a dummy filter I just created simply here. So now once we filter is done, now I just click here create filtered report. Now I'm just clicking this one. Now we can click here export. So I'm just clicking here export. So once we click export, then our export file will be ready in 5 to 10 minutes. So here it will take only few minutes to export. Like now I will go to here like reports. I will show you previous reports actually. So for example, I'm going to the dashboard. So for example, here if you can go to here boutique stores in United States. I'm just clicking this one. So once I go to here, I will click export. So once I click export, then you can see here, I just simply click download and I can see the file. Once I click download, I can have a chance to see this file here. So now once I downloaded, I can open the file like this. So this is the downloaded file actually. So now we can see all this information after downloading the file. So now we can see domain names, we can see technology spend, sales revenue, employee size, we can see the company name, and here we can see the possible dial number and email IDs, and we can see the social media URLs, and we can see location. See, we can see all the other information actually here. See, we can see whatever the information is possible. We can see all the information. This is how we can have a chance to create our targeted stores information using BuiltWith Pro actually. So without Pro subscription, we can't do anything actually here. So yeah, this is how we can create our targeted reports using BuiltWith Pro. Hopefully you will understand everything. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the video comment section. I will definitely reply your comment. Or if you need my services, as I said, if you want targeted information or targeted e-commerce stores decision makers list creation, you can approach me. Like here I mentioned my contact details here. You can directly message me on WhatsApp. Not only this, as I said, like LinkedIn data scrapping or Instagram data scrapping or local business data scrapping or Google Maps data scrapping or recently funded companies decision makers information or targeted investors information, anything related to B2B data and web scraping services, you can contact me guys. And thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.